This video shows you how to use our company search feature. So, what is company search? Search by company lets you search for companies that are hiring on Zoek. This means you can look for roles available at your desired company. You simply click the company's hiring button. Enter the name of the company you wish to work for. You can filter your search by the type of hirer, including direct hirer, recruitment agency, or registered charity. Click search and browse the jobs available at your chosen company. If you're unsure of which company you wish to work for, you can also browse through the full list of companies in the section below, displayed in alphabetical order.